Question number 3. In a solid AB having an NaCl structure, A atoms occupy the corners of the cube. If all the face center atoms along the one axis are removed, then the resultant stoichiometry of a solid is. Well, let's speak with respect to the atom A first. So, according to the atom A, okay, A atoms as what we have, these particular atoms occupy the corners, right? They are going to occupy the corners, and therefore we are going to have it as 8 into 1 over 8, and that is going to be 1. Now, at the same time, they are going to occupy even the faces. So therefore, for face, it is going to be as 6 into 1 over 2, and that is going to be 3. Total contribution. So the total contribution of A is going to be as 3 plus 1, and that is going to be 4, right? So therefore, as NaCl structure, okay, now with respect to B, so therefore the B occupies, now it is going to occupy the octahedral sites, right? So therefore, which contributes 1 by 4 times. Now we need to understand that there are going to be as 1 plus, as the octahedral sites also are in the center of a body, so this is 1 plus, correct? So there are 12 along the edge centers, so they are shared by the 4 unit cells, so therefore 1 by 4. So this particular point is going to give me as the answer as 4. So even the B is going to be as 4. So taking this entire thing into consideration, the formula at this point, formula should become as A4, B4, or just as AB. Okay, or we can write it just as AB. So now this is for the normal condition till this point. Now they have said that along one of the axes, all the particular face-centered atoms are going to be removed. Okay, so at that point, what is going to happen is that, so removing all the face-centered. Okay, so removing all the face-centered atoms, what we are going to have now is that along one particular axis, there are going to be 2 atoms. So therefore, 2 atoms are going to be removed, right? So when it is going to be removed as 2 atoms, so contribution of A is going to be affected. It is going to be as, we already have 8 into 1 by 8, that is 1, correct? So 8 into 1 over 8 plus, now instead of 6, from here 2 atoms are going to be removed, so 2 are going to be removed from that. So what remains is 4 into 1 by 2. Okay, so now the total amount, the total thing will now become as 1 plus of 2, and that is going to be equal to 3, that is A3, B, what we have is 4. So D option, A3, B4 is the correct answer.